I've tested probably close to 30 air dusters, but never have I tested one with as many features that this has. It has lights, it has a vacuum, it has a belt carrying case, magnets, and a whole bunch of nozzles. If you don't have an air duster yet and you're thinking about getting one, and you want one that's multifunctional, this is a fantastic option. I especially really like the lights and the magnet. For projects around the home, like if I'm working on the walls or under a sink or things like that, what often happens is there will be drywall everywhere. I need something like this to dust it anyway, but I also need light to see. So the fact that this has a crazy bright light on it to help you see with magnets on the bottom is something I really appreciate. This is a sponsored video, so I'll try to focus less on my opinion and more on the features and testing that I can do with this. There are a lot of features that this air duster has that are not typical. The first being that you have a belt loop. That's kind of different. You also have these 4 magnets on bottom, so if you want to stick this on something, you can. If you press this button here, it's for the LED on the front, and you can use this as you are blowing air. But if you want to use this, then you can press and hold. This is a really bright light. I don't know how well that's conveyed, but this is super bright. And after you turn it on, if you press it again, it lowers it. You also have this red mode, and then you have a red blinking mode as well. As far as the air duster goes, you press here, and it turns on the air, and then you have a slider. So you can go fairly low, though this is still a decent slight breeze, and then this is the max right here. Quite powerful. It comes with a carrying case as well with replaceable nozzles. One thing I will point out, this is kind of interesting. If you need to break a car window or something, you place that on here. It doesn't stay very well. So I'm not sure if I'm doing that right, but I don't see any other way to put it on. What you could do is just put that up against the glass and then bang it there. But I mean, hopefully you never need that. As far as the other nozzles go, a slight twist there. And then you've got this nozzle, a smaller nozzle, and a skinny nozzle. These all go on the same way. They just twist so they lock into place. They're not going anywhere. You got your charging cable and a brush. And one thing that I very much appreciate is if you put it on the back here, now you have a vacuum so you can suck up dust rather than blowing it. So certainly an impressive amount of features on this. I did a test with this where I blew down on a kitchen scale for 1 minute and 30 seconds to measure the grams. And then I took the average. If you look at this spreadsheet, the Cafovidia averaged 79. One of the closest comparisons was the Wolfbox MF60, not quite as high as the Cafovidia, but the Wolfbox MF60 is very popular, air duster, very good. So that's kind of where this compares, but this is a bit more powerful. One of the things I use air dusters for the most is when I work outside or inside and I get dusty, I can use this to blow myself off rather than using compressed air. One of the things that these are designed for is dusting electronics like keyboards or computers, and this works fantastically well for that. It also works great for car detailing or just random projects around the house. And again, the advantage with this is it does have the vacuum extension. So rather than just blowing dust from one area to the other, you can actually suck it up and throw it away in the garbage or outside. So I really appreciate that attachment. And then, like I said, it's nice that it actually has bright lights. If you need to see what you are dusting, it has the light in front. But if you want to see better than that, you've got the light on the side that helps kind of eliminate anything that you're working on. So whether you just do a lot of crafts inside and you need something to dry it, or you like outdoors and campings and you want something to blow on a fire, rather than sticking your head in there and blowing, the air duster is a great thing to have. And I'm very impressed with all the features that this one has.